Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am Amita ma'am and welcome to General Awareness Space. Do you know we already learnt about wild animals, pet animals, farm animals and homes of animals. Today we will again revise homes of animals. But before that, let us revise wild animals. Lion, tiger, fox, rhino, crocodile, giraffe, elephant, monkey. Now, let us revise farm animals. Cow, pig, goat, hen, duck, donkey. Let us revise pet animals. Cat, pet birds, dog, rabbit, parrot. Now, let us revise homes of animals. Different animals live in different kinds of homes to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and other creatures. They can store their food and take care of their young ones in their homes. So, let us take a look at homes of animals. Dog lives in kennel. Fish lives in water. Horse lives in stable. Cow lives in shed. Lion lives in den. Hen lives in coop. Bird lives in nest. Spider lives in web. Okay children, now I will give you one worksheet related to homes of animals. Here is the worksheet. Match the animals with their homes. On one side we have dog, cow, hen, bird. And the other side we have their homes, shed, nest, kennel, coop. Now let's match animals with their homes. Dog lives in kennel, so we will match dog with kennel. Cow lives in shed, we will match cow with shed. Hen lives in coop, so we will match hen with coop. And bird lives in nest, so we will match bird with nest. That's it for today kids. We will meet again. Bye.